In a small village school, there was a curious boy named Arif. Arif was very intelligent, but sometimes he became confused when problems looked difficult. His teacher, Ms. Ria, always encouraged students to think deeply and find solutions by themselves. One day in science class, Ms. Ria brought a challenge activity for the students. She placed a banana on a high shelf in the classroom and kept two wooden boxes and a stick on the floor. The teacher smiled and said, "Children, today we will solve a problem. Whoever can reach the banana can eat it." All the students became excited. Arif quickly ran toward the shelf. He jumped many times, but the banana was too high. His friend Rohan tried to use the stick, but it was too short. Another child tried to climb the shelf, but could not reach it. After some time, the students became tired and frustrated. Arif sat quietly and started observing everything carefully. He looked at the banana, then the boxes, and then the stick. Suddenly, he remembered a story his father once told him about experiments done by psychologist Wolfgang Kohler. In those experiments, a chimpanzee named Sultan had to reach bananas that were placed out of reach. At first, the chimpanzee tried many random actions, but suddenly he understood the situation and used boxes to climb and reach the banana. This sudden understanding was called insight learning. Arif thought for a moment. Then something clicked in his mind. He said to himself, "If I stand on the boxes, I can reach higher." First, he dragged one box onto the shelf, but the banana was still far away. Then he had another idea. He placed the second box on top of the first box carefully. All the children watched him curiously. Arif slowly climbed the stacked boxes while holding the stick for balance. Now, he was much closer to the banana. He stretched his hand and finally reached the banana. The whole class started clapping happily. Ms. Ria smiled and said, "Very good, Arif. You did not reach,